Good morning and welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. In a bit of a cool spell right now with some below average temperatures and has some breezy conditions over the weekend, and we'll likely see winds pick up a little bit as we go throughout the day today. But at the moment, mostly sunny, mostly clear out there, but we will see some clouds build in as we go throughout the day. If we take a look at the current surface analysis, we do have high pressure that is building in to the region, and that will build in and settle in for a moment before the next system pushes that off and brings us our next chance for rain as we get into the latter part of the week. But if we look at current conditions out there right now, we have a few clouds at 6,000 feet and a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Winds are out of the northwest at about 5 knots, fairly light at the moment. Temperature around 31 degrees and relative humidity at 45%. So if we take a look at the current satellite, we do see some of that high cloud and the low cloud that's moved off the coast and kind of lingering around the region a little bit, but otherwise fairly clear, mostly clear for the most part. Winds are fairly light at the moment, but we'll see that change as we go throughout the day today. If we take a look at the NAM 3K, the short-term model, as we go throughout the day today, we'll see those clouds build in as we have this upper level disturbance moving into the region, and that will help to build those clouds and also bring us a slight chance of maybe seeing a sprinkle or even a flurry, but not expecting anything significant, but can't be ruled out as we go throughout the day today. But as we get into the evening, we'll see that disturbance move off the coast and we'll see skies start to clear up, and that'll allow temperatures to drop a bit. But we will also see some breezy conditions as we go throughout the day. Tomorrow looks to be a mostly sunny day, still on the cool side, so a little below average for this time of year, but expecting dry conditions. And we will see clouds start to build as we get into tomorrow night and Wednesday morning as we have the next system approaching, and the associated warm front will be moving into our area, so that will help to increase the clouds and bring some of that southerly wind as we get into Wednesday, helping to warm things up. And we see on here a slight chance of some showers in the area or a sprinkle in the area for Wednesday morning, but for the most part expecting that to remain dry as we go throughout the day Wednesday. And as that system approaches closer and we get into Thursday, we'll see our next chance for any significant precip. So if we take a look at the 24-hour weather risk chart, again, as we go throughout the day today, expecting to see a period of some broken skies as that disturbance moves into the area. We'll see temperatures just getting up to the low to mid 40s for today, and we'll see those winds pick up out of the west-northwest, about 10 to 15 knots, and with some gusts up to 23 and maybe even 25 as we get towards the sunset hours. So we do have those colors in there for the chance of seeing a wind advisory for the later part of the day and into the evening. So otherwise, the cool conditions, again, we had that slight chance of a sprinkle or flurry in the area. And as we get into overnight hours, we'll see those clouds clear out. That'll help to allow those temperatures to drop quite a bit, with the exception of the wind may help moderate them a little bit, but still expecting a low of about 21. So low to mid 20s for the morning as we start the day on Tuesday. Taking a look at the next couple days, Tuesday, we're expecting again mostly clear day, slightly breezy, but on the cool side with some below average temperatures, expecting a high of about 45. Green across the board for weather risk. As we get into Tuesday night, we'll see some of those clouds increase again with that warm front moving into the area and bringing in some of that moisture. Those clouds will really start to build in when we get into the day on Wednesday, expecting a low of 34. For Wednesday, expect a mostly cloudy day and a warming trend as you go throughout the day. We'll get some southerly winds, see some slightly breezy conditions by the time we get into the afternoon. Again, a slight chance of a sprinkle in the area for our Wednesday with that warm front. Expecting it to remain mostly dry, so we kept things green across the board for weather risk, but we'll see how that starts to develop as we get closer to Wednesday. Otherwise, that wraps up our 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We'll be back again at 10 a.m. to take a look at the extended forecast. Have a good morning.